Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've had some fish broth, so today I'm going to show you how I prepare mine. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Here I have my fish already well seasoned, and I'll show you the process in just a minute. I will be using some grated pumpkin as well as some eddo root and potatoes. I have okra and some coconut milk for the seasoning. I have mushroom seasoning, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, complete, and black pepper. Here I have my fresh herbs and aromatics, which I will go ahead and list in my description box. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and wash your fish thoroughly with some limes or lemons. And here I'll be using some snapper and some grouper fish, but feel free to use any fish of your choice. Here for the seasonings, I'll be using some Old Bay, some fish seasoning, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, and black pepper. I also have fresh green seasoning here that I will be adding to that. And I will add some oil just to make sure that I have a nice paste-like consistency. We will mix the combine and then we'll go ahead and start applying it to our fish. Like I said, you want to go ahead and apply this to all sides of your fish. And once we are done, we will cover and allow it to sit and marinate for about 30 minutes or so. So to a large preheated pot, I did add just a little bit of oil, and we will go ahead and just sear our fish on both sides. You can skip this step if you prefer to do it, just putting the fish in raw, but I don't like to add mine in raw. I like to seal all the seasonings and the moisture in, and then I add that to my actual broth. So once they are nicely seared, you will remove it, set aside, add the second batch, and once all the fish is nicely seared, I will show you what to do next. So now to the same pot, I will add my herbs and aromatics, give it a good mix, and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. It's something about sauteing your aromatics first that brings out the flavor more than if you were to just add it to liquid raw, So here you see me adding my pumpkin, my eddos and potatoes, giving it a stir, and allow those to go for about 2 minutes also. I like to add my okra in last because I don't like them mushy. So here I will add some water, and then we will come in with the coconut milk. The coconut milk adds a nice flavor to this. You do not want to skip this step. Then we will come in with our seasoning. You want to make sure you season to your own liking. You want to taste and make sure that you have enough seasoning. And you could also use your own seasoning. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. We will give this a stir and allow it to come up to a boil or a simmer before we add our fish. So once it starts to boil, you want to come in with your fish, and then you will cover this and reduce your heat to medium low and allow it to simmer until everything comes together perfectly. All your potatoes and eddos are nicely cooked, and it's basically disintegrate into the pot. And then we will come in with our okra, like I said, last. And that's it, guys. Quick, easy, and simple, but absolutely amazing. And like I said, you add the okras in the last 5 minutes, allow it to simmer, and that's basically it. You can plate this up and enjoy. Guys, this is so delicious. Now, there's a confusion on whether this is a soup or not. This is technically not a soup. It's kind of like just a broth. All your stuff should be melted here, and it's like a thinner version of a soup. So I don't know if I explained that well, but that's what it is basically. This is my version. It's so healthy, so nutritious and delicious, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy